Honey, a natural sweetener crafted by bees from flower nectar, offers a unique flavor profile. It's often used as a sugar substitute in cooking and baking. However, honey isn't a straightforward one-to-one replacement for sugar. Let's explore how much honey to use instead of sugar and the necessary adjustments. Honey is inherently sweeter than sugar, which means you need less of it to achieve the same sweetness level. Generally, for every cup of sugar a recipe calls for, you should use about 3/4 to 1 cup of honey. For instance, if a recipe requires 1 cup of sugar, substitute it with 3/4 to 1 cup of honey. This adjustment ensures the desired sweetness without overwhelming the dish. When substituting honey for sugar, it's important to consider the moisture content. Honey is a liquid sweetener, which can add moisture to your recipes. This is particularly beneficial for recipes that tend to be dry, like cookies or cakes. However, to maintain the right consistency, you should reduce the amount of liquid in the recipe by about 1/4 cup for every cup of honey used. This adjustment helps balance the moisture levels, ensuring your baked goods turn out just right. Honey has a lower baking temperature than sugar, which can cause baked goods to brown more quickly. To prevent overbrowning, it's advisable to reduce the oven temperature by about 25 degrees Fahrenheit when using honey as a sugar substitute. Additionally, keep a close eye on your baked goods as they cook to ensure they don't overbrown. This simple adjustment helps maintain the desired appearance and texture of your creations. Using honey instead of sugar can affect the texture and flavor of your baked goods. Honey can result in a denser or softer final product, especially in recipes that rely on sugar for structure, like meringues or sugar cookies. Moreover, honey has a distinct and complex flavor that differs from sugar. Light-colored honey such as clover, acacia, or orange blossom offers a milder taste, making it suitable for baking. In contrast, darker honey, like buckwheat or chestnut honey, has a robust flavor, often used in savory dishes or as a condiment. These flavor nuances can enhance or alter the overall taste of your recipes. It's important to note that honey isn't suitable for all recipes and may not work as a sugar substitute in every situation. Recipes that rely on sugar's chemical reactions, such as caramel or meringue, may not perform well with honey. Additionally, honey may not be suitable for those following a vegan or plant-based diet, as it is a product of bees, in which case can be replaced with maple syrup, date syrup, or coconut blossom syrup or sugar. When using honey as a substitute, remember to adjust the liquid content and baking temperature to achieve the best results. In conclusion, honey is a versatile natural sweetener that can be used as a sugar substitute in cooking and baking. However, it requires some adjustments to be used effectively. Honey is sweeter than sugar, has a different flavor, can add moisture to recipes, has a lower baking temperature, and can affect the texture of baked goods. By understanding these nuances, you can successfully incorporate honey into your recipes. Read the full article in the description box below. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more related content.